Hello, Nomad Sculpt, and this video is about off-center objects. So maybe this sword here is off-center and how to get aligned views for this object, front view, top view, and so on. So we need an example. Okay, here. So I created this guy here, and this is so for demonstration. So here, this object here is off center here. This one is in the world center. This is, you see it here. So the translation is 0, 0, 0. And for this one, you have here rotation, translation, and so on. And when you use here solo view and you use the front view, so I press here home, so like this, and I press front. This is not the front view, because here the blue direction is somewhere in this direction, and the red one is here, and you see here the view cube, so it's completely different, because it's this view cube here is orientated on the world center, on this position. So this is here aligned, but not for off-center objects. Okay, so I think there are two ways to do it, or to get a aligned view for this object here. You have to bring this object to the world center and then bring it back to the old position. So, and I think there are two options. So, first option is a placeholder. And therefore is a group node, the placeholder. And the second is use an instance. So I'm starting here with a placeholder thing. Okay. Here in the gizmo settings here, you see the matrix, and so I press here bake for this thing here, because I want here the mesh to pivot option here. So you see here this option here, and when you press this one, the matrix here, here's the translation values and rotation values and so on. So this is the position from the world center here. And now we need a placeholder. So press add, and here you see the on gizmo checkbox. So press this or activate this checkbox that the group node is created on the gizmo position. And now see what happens. So here are the values, and when you press now group, you see here the translation of your object, and the rotation is 0, 0, 0, everything is 0. And your group node has copied the settings from your object. Okay, and now it's possible to use the world matrix and move this object to the origin. So, and when you want it back, press here in the local matrix reset. Okay. So, now it's here, and now you can also reset the rotation. You see now the object, so we delete the box here, and now in solo view, when you press now front view or right view or top view, you see here the aligning is fine. Okay, and now I use it for a trim. So I trimmed the blade. And now I'm happy with this thing. And it's also possible here to add other thing here. Here on Gizmo, maybe a sphere. And I make it here as a child. So, and then I'm using here the reset button in the local matrix. So, and it resets the object to the old position. Yeah. Okay, so this is option 1. So I delete the group. So, and the next option is I'm using here the instance. So I press here instance. So now you get a second object. And this second object you can move to the origin. So here, then it jumps from this position to this position. And now it's possible to reset the rotation. So like this. Then it's fine aligned. So when you use now front view, side view, and now we can sculpt or trim something. And you see it happens to the other object. Okay, so I show you a thing here. So when you sculpt here on this object and you want to add here some other objects like the sphere. So what happens when you press add? So on Gizmo is active. When you press add, then a sphere here is created. But the sphere is not here on the other sort. So you have to use the other checkbox here. You see here in the top menu, here's a syncing checkbox. So set this syncing checkbox and then add a sphere. And then the next thing is here when you scale here your object, then here nothing happens here on this sphere because you have to change here the target mode. So you have to change it to object sync instance here. So now when you change here the scaling for the sphere, then the same happens to this one. Okay, so and when you want to get rid of this thing here because you've done all your things, so here select both instances here and make sure that this checkbox here is deselected. So now when you delete here, so when this is active, you see here delete sync. So now everything is fine. Here I have to change the target mode to auto, then it works. So now I'm happy. Okay. So that's it. Have fun with sculpting and ciao.